Hi guys, this is David for Paintable, and today I'm coming at you with a quick hack to bring more emotions in the eyes of your characters. Hi guys, this is David for Paintable, and today I'm coming at you with a simple hack to make your character more attractive. You see, it's been proven scientifically that the pupil or the size of the pupil will always communicate certain emotion throughout the eyes of the viewer, basically. So, and that's been proven as a scientific paper. Basically, it's the scientist Hector H. Hess, I'm trying to pronounce it properly here, that made a research in 1965 about this phenomenon where he compared the eyes of many different subjects. And basically the changes in attitude can be detected by measuring changes in the size of the pupil. And apparently it appeared that enlarged or constrict pupil can also affect the attitude of the response of the person that observe this phenomenon. So basically when you look at the eyes of someone, if that person has bigger pupil or smaller pupil, it's going to affect your own emotion as well. So when you look at a character like a character that you have right now on the screen, it's a character that I already created. She has, I would say, normal size pupils, but if I were to make them bigger, this character would feel more attractive to us. So I'm going to do right that in front of you so you can see that change, and maybe then afterwards you can actually try it on your own illustrations. So I'm going to use the filter Liquify for that. Liquify is great when you have a character that's already built. This way I won't have to repaint the whole thing. So I'm just going to zoom in a little bit to get closer, and then I'm going to use, to make the pupil bigger, I'm going to use the bloat tool. It's this tool right here. And then you just want to simply paint over your pupil. Not make them too big. I don't want them to look too cartoony, but just bigger to have more attractiveness into them. I'm going to press OK. And that's been done here. And this one I'm going to do the opposite, so we can really have the difference between them to be really to show a lot, basically. I'm going to use the other tool, which is the pucker tool, which makes stuff smaller, basically. So I'm just going to paint over my eye or over my pupils, make them smaller, and then press OK. And then we can have the comparison here. So definitely you can see that the eyes of the character from the right feel just more attractive to us. They look just more full of love or full of passion, where the other one could be more something like fierce or being scared. Obviously the expression of the character is the same, but even if you were just to mask everything else and look at the eyes, they would tell you different emotions. So here you go. This is a really simple hack for your portrait to make sure that you actually communicate the right emotion through them. And that's it for this hack, guys. I hope you liked it. If you want to make sure to not miss all the rest of them, as I'll come every day with a new one for the next few days, click on the subscribe button, and I'll see you tomorrow with a new hack. And I would like to know, for my own interest, who are your 3 favorite digital artists of all time? Please let me know in the comment below, and have a good day and happy painting.